this must also exist. Gravediggers.
If a small mammal, such as a mouse or a bird, dies in the forest, the dead animals must be disposed of. Here, for example, a common sexton beetle, a dung beetle, and various types of flies take care of the disposal.
In nature, large mammals are eaten by foxes, wolves, pumas, bears, or various scavengers such as vultures, hyenas, jackals, and so on. Digestion turns the eaten animals into excrement, which in turn is eaten and digested by beetles. Their droppings then become humus, i.e., nutrient-rich good soil. The soil serves as a nutrient for various plants such as trees, shrubs, grass, flowers, and so on.
A continuous cycle, this is called an ecosystem. If we remove an animal or a group of animals from this cycle, the ecosystem collapses. It can no longer function, just like if you remove or damage a link from a chain. If a link is missing from your bike, how far do you ride it?
Of course, a variety of fungi and bacteria are also involved in the decomposition of dead animals.
All these animals make a huge contribution to preserving our nature and our environment.
Why is the climate debate so crucial in this context?
Every living creature needs a certain ambient temperature to survive. Equally important is the level of humidity. So, water is necessary in an appropriate quantity.
For example,
the vast majority of insects, bacteria, and fungi can only survive within a certain temperature range. In winter, when it is cold, they are inactive. In extreme heat, such as in a desert, they dry up. Mammals need enough drinking water. Many bacteria and fungi also prefer a moist environment.
We humans are changing the climate of our planet through our behavior. In other words, the temperature and humidity conditions in many regions and worldwide. We have no knowledge of the vast majority of cycles, mammals, insects, bacteria, and cannot estimate what changes we are bringing about.
Sometimes, when a specific beetle goes extinct, the chain is broken, and a landscape becomes barren. An entire region can turn into a desert. Suddenly, there is a lack of food, and we ask ourselves, why? How could this have happened?
Are we our grave diggers? That was another interesting trip.
I think so too. So that's it.
Until later.
Until then.